In this video, I'll complete the exercises at the bottom of the data frame in series notebook. We're going to use the bikes data frame. Exercise 1. Select the column events, the type of weather that was recorded, and assign it to a variable with the same name. Output the first 10 values. All right, so we'll create a variable called events. We'll go into the bikes data frame, use the square brackets to make the selection of the column, place the column name in those square brackets, which happens to be the string called events. That'll select the column as a series, and then we want to output the first 10 values. Okay, so that does it. So here's our series of the first 10 values. Exercise number 2. What type of object is events? Well, it is a series, but we need to formally verify, passing it into the type function, and we can see that it is indeed a series. All right, exercise number 3. Select the last 2 rows of the bikes data frame and assign it to the variable bikes last 2. Okay, we can do that. Bikes last 2 equals bikes tail. That's how we select the last 2 or last 5 rows. We can put in 2 to make it just the last 2 rows, and then we'll output the data frame. So it's a data frame. It's not a series of 2 rows with all of the columns. And yes, we can verify it is in fact a data frame, but it does have 2 dimensions, rows and columns, so we know just by looking at it, it is definitely a data frame. All right, so that does it for the exercises.